Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the global font settings on Stream Deck. So in order to do it, first of all I'm gonna explain the font settings, because for each of the shortcuts you can set a custom font. Like here in the T button, you have things like the font height, the font style also, so you can find like Times New Roman, for example. That's not too good for like small displays, so I'm gonna leave it on the default one. You can change the size of it maybe, and the colors. I think that'll not be visible, but this maybe will be. Maybe let's set it to red instead, and now you can see that's how it's set. We've added as well, but the global font settings will be in settings in style, and that will change it for everything on your Stream Deck. So let's set it to, for example, like, I don't know, here. Then if I apply it, it actually didn't change on this, or it did, besides these 4 icons which I think have fixed fonts. But on my other Stream Deck that I have right here, they are changed on each of the keys. So you can change it like that. You can change the size for some of these fonts, but I don't really know for which ones. You can do an underline, and if you apply it, it will work. It will be like that. And I hope that video helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.